Hi guys! Today, we're going to learn how to slow down a video on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Gallery or Photos app. This is where all your videos and photos are stored. Make sure the video you want to slow down is already saved in your gallery. Now, select the video you want to slow down and open it. Once it's open, look at the bottom middle of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines with circles. Tap on that icon to see editing options for the video. After tapping the 3 lines, you'll see options like Adjust, Filters, and Crop at the bottom. Here's an important note. iPhone's gallery only allows slowing down videos that are already in slow motion format. If your video isn't slow motion, you won't see a speed adjustment option here. If your video isn't slow motion and you still want to slow it down, you'll need to use a third-party app like CapCut. Upload the video to CapCut, then use the speed adjustment feature to reduce the speed as you like. This is a simple workaround to slow down any video on your iPhone. And that's how you can slow down videos on your iPhone, either using the built-in slow motion videos or with an alternative app like CapCut. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next tutorial.